Hi there, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a logo for your, or how to get a logo design for your dog walking company. So you might be thinking this isn't really that important. I mean, I think it's really important, maybe not at first, but basically if you want to, scale or grow your dog walking company in the future, you may as well get this bit done now instead of having to, get a rubbish logo at the beginning and then in the future have to then rebrand everything, maybe even change your name. Get it all done now. I'm going to show you how you can get it done really cheap. You don't have to go out and spend loads of money on a logo, and you can get it done, within 2 days, and it's whipped up, ready for you to go. So I actually had my logo done on this website called Fiverr. As the name says, it's fine. You can literally get a logo done for $5, £5 for a Fiverr basically. And it's a great website. It's basically where freelancers they help people do logo design, marketing, videos, and stuff like that. So I actually have someone on here, the guy that actually designed my logo. I'm going to recommend him in this video because I want you guys to have a really good logo done if you choose to use Fiverr. And I'm not getting anything from him. He doesn't even know I'm doing this. But like I said, I want to get you guys a good logo, and I tested out a few other people on here. Didn't go to plan. There's loads and loads of freelancers on the website, but I may as well show you him because I know you're going to get a good logo. So let's go down. So you just type in logo design. I mean, I'm already on it now. And so you can already see these are people on here. So you can change the pricing. There's different things down here. You can get the styles, so 3D. File formats. Service includes high resolution, so you want a high resolution logo, definitely. So you're looking really you'll be paying around sort of $5 to up to maybe $40. So you could spend around £30 on a logo, which is really, really cheap, and you get all the files, the Photoshop files, and everything like that. It's it's really, really good. So let's just have a look at let's pick someone. Let's go on. Let's have a look at anyone's done an animal. You got a fish there. You got two here. So let's have a look at this guy. So okay, let's go with someone a bit cheaper. Let's not go for the. Let's even put in to. Let's put 30. So you can see this one's got I will make a real handwritten signature logo. I will design creative for your logo in 24 hours with copyrights. Let's look at this guy. Let's have a look at his portfolio. So you can sort of see what they're doing. So you get a barbershop there. That's really, really clever. I love that. See, that is really cool. There's loads of stuff. And if you've got like a logo in mind, you just send them the description and they'll whip something up. And if you've got logos so if you go onto Google and you've seen other dog walking logos, you can then download those pictures, send it to them, say, look, I want my logo to look similar to this or in this kind of style. And they'll just make it in that kind of style. It's as simple as that. Again, be creative as possible. So what I'll do is I'll show you the guy that made my logo, and let's see what he's been doing lately. So his name is Adil. I can't pronounce it. Adil Sawani. He's from Pakistan, and so you can literally have a logo done. So you got here starting at £4 for this one here. I will design a creative hand-drawn logo within 18 hours, and and he's got really good reviews. You can see 1K plus reviews, 4.7. I would highly recommend him. So he's got a bit of a bio there. Let's have a look at his portfolio. Let's go on to this one. So there you go. Just nice, simple logos. Just going to see if I can find an animal one that's kind of more dog walking, or probably not going to find that. There you go. Just giving you an idea though. There you go. Straight away, buddy paws, dog walking, and pet sitting. That's perfect time. I didn't even know that was going to pop up. So you can already see that buddy. He's used the U there as a paw, and it's as simple as that. And that person probably got it done that was done a month ago. There you go, basic package £4, premium £76 for the premium. You don't really need the premium. I'd maybe go for standard because you get all of this bit here, high resolution, or basic. You still get a high resolution vector file. But yeah, you could just go for basic, and then maybe in the future go back to him and say, "Oh, could I go for the standard package?" And then get him to send you the files, or yeah, you can chat with him. But let's have a look at any more logos. Okay, there you go. That was the last one as well. How lucky is that? So yeah, that's a really good logo as well. I really like that. But this is one website you can use. Let me jump onto another one. This one I've already been typing in. So let's do the dog walker. Leave it at that. Design my logo. So this one here, basically, it basically has like a storage unit for logos, and the bad thing about this is the logo could be used by someone else in the world. That's not. I mean, if you're creating a local dog walking company, so it doesn't really matter as long as you've had a look around the other dog walking companies and you're not copying their logo, because someone could potentially have done that with this. But yeah, let's just go off that. I don't want this. Get off. Okay. Click next. Right, let's have a look. Search logos. Dog walking. Boom. There you go. So yeah, these ones, it just comes up. If you've got your name, put your name there, and you can customize these as well. So let's pick one that actually looks kind of good. This one looks quite good. Edit logo. There you go. So you can change your color. So let's just keep it the dog walker. And you can mess around with it. So let's put this on top. I always like the text at the bottom and this on the top. So you can always see it's coming together already. You can change the colors. Maybe change the font. That's actually not that bad. So yeah, you can be as creative as possible. I'm actually probably going to make one. There you go. That's really good. I like that. Nice and simple. You can maybe change the size of this. You can be creative like that. So there you go. You can fit the dog there. So it just goes above the K. We can maybe change the color. So maybe in green. And then maybe make this a black. Or even make it a green. There you go. Something like that. Let's maybe put that back in the middle. Probably looks a bit better. There, literally a logo straight away sorted, and it also shows you what it's going to look like on business cards, maybe on a website. And this can cost, it's really cheap. Let's go save logo. It's I've actually bought one off here before. It cost me about, I think it's £30 for the whole package. Just save logo. There you go. You can even get your business cards matching. But this website's called freelogoservices.co.uk. Okay, I don't want all this. No thanks. Just save my logo. Yeah. So freelogoservices.com. And what I'll do is I'll put these links in the resources bit or below this video in the course. And yeah, so I recommend these two. I would choose Fiverr. If it was my choice, I would choose Fiverr because, I mean, that logo is a lot better and it's completely original. It's your logo. No one else can have it because Adil, let's call him Adil, will design this for you from scratch. So I hope you enjoyed this video and go get your logo done. It's really easy. Don't hesitate over it and don't leave it till a year down the line. Get it done beforehand. Have a professional logo for your dog walking business, and yeah, you don't need to spend that much money on it. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in another video.